How to fix Telegram desktop app login problems. Having trouble logging into Telegram desktop? First, verify you are entering the correct phone number with country code. Telegram sends a login code to your mobile Telegram app or SMS, so check both. If you don't get the code, try resending it after a minute. Check if your internet connection is stable. If you still can't log in, try reinstalling Telegram desktop or clearing its cache by deleting the Telegram folder in your user data directory. If two-step verification is enabled, you will need to enter your password after the code. Make sure you remember it. Have you experienced login issues on Telegram desktop? Share your experience in the comment below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.